As you can see, we have 9 packages to unbox. Some of these boxes are quite big. Let's go and get started from the top. Oh wow, there's like a brick. Somebody sent me a gold bar or something. This is gonna be hard to open. I don't even know where to begin. Is everybody enjoying their summer? It's quite tame, the weather here. I wish it was a little bit warmer. It's been like 70 or something. No need for any air conditioning. But I do have the swamp coolers. Quite a few that I've reviewed. Okay, how do I open this? What is this? I think this says, wait, power bank. Why are there 2 power banks in there? Oh, it's these power banks, solar charger power banks. Cool. What is this? Lock. Oh, it's one of these smart locks. I'm gonna actually place it right there. I think this is like a military lunch bag. Check it out. Cool color. Oh, there are a couple of items in there. LED bulbs. I think I know what it is. It's for the light products, which is probably inside the boxes. Oh, what can this be? That's quite heavy. A 4K mini projector. I've always wanted this. Alright, it's time to open these bigger boxes. Look at this big. Wow. What is this? Oh, this is a ceiling fan with LED lights. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so fun to install. I think I might actually put this in my YouTube studio. wall lamp. This is one of them. This will go in my front yard to replace the front wall sconces. Oh, this car fall. That's two. Right, we're down to the second to last one. Chandelier. Wow. Light. This is going in my dining room. We have the biggest box, save the best for last. I have no idea what this is, but it's a big box. And it looks like somebody has torn into this and retaped it. Maybe do the customs. I'm not sure. Oh wow! I see what this is. I see what this is. This is a... Check this out. This is a weight storage rack, so I can put my weights in my home gym. This is exactly what I needed. So these are my upcoming product reviews. Make sure you stay tuned for that. You might learn a thing or two about installation, especially when it comes to the ceiling, fan, and lights. And this is my YouTube life.